children, we will start our last topic, that is National Commission for Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribes. Okay, by the words you are understanding that this commission is set up for the scheduled caste and SC/ST caste, scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. Means especially this category's person will goes to this commission to get a relief from any if their human rights are abolished. Okay, this cover under Article 338 of the Constitution provide for establishment of special officer for scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. Now the concept of scheduled caste and scheduled tribes is given under Article 338 of the Constitution, in which they can investigate all matters relating to safeguards. They are safeguard for scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. Means, and to report to the president. Means finally this commission can investigate the case of this type of persons. If any offense are committed against this persons, this commission can inquiry and report that things to the president directly. The two commissions, the National Commission for Scheduled Caste and National Commission for Scheduled Tribes, were instituted in fulfillment of आर्टिकल 338 ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन क्यों बनाया गया है? फॉर फुलफिलमेंट द रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ आर्टिकल 338, क्योंकि कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का 338 आर्टिकल प्रोटेक्शन देता है SC/ST वालों को, तो उसको प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए, टू प्रोटेक्ट द ह्यूमन राइट ऑफ दिस कैटेगरी, दिस कमीशन वाज सेट अप टू प्रिवेंट देम फ्रॉम एक्सप्लॉयटेशन, टू एनकरेज देम एंड डिफेंड देयर सोशल, एजुकेशनल एंड इकोनॉमिकल कल्चर सिक्योरिटीज which are provided in the Constitution. So this will be provided in the Constitution. Okay, so the National Commission for Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes is instituted to fulfill the Article 338 of the Constitution to prevent the human right of them. Okay, which encourage them for social, educational and economic culture. For example, state provide reservation or affirmative action program for government job under under Article 16 of the Constitution provides a reservation clause like SC/ST who, because of historical and continued disadvantage based on caste status and otherwise have not been adequately represented in service under the state. Like various act also made it to protect the rights of the SC/ST caste in spite of the Constitution, like some special acts, laws passed to protect their rights, like Protection of Civil Rights Act 1955, SC/ST Act 1989. Special act is also made it to protect them, to protect them in the society, to make them upliftment in the society. So उनको इक्वल प्रिविलेज देने के लिए, जनरल कास्ट के इक्वल प्रिविलेज देने के लिए आपने स्पेशल एक्ट्स भी बना दिए टू प्रोटेक्ट देयर राइट्स. ओके, तो दिस नेशनल कमीशन इज बेसिकली बेस्ड ऑन टू प्रोटेक्ट द ह्यूमन राइट ऑफ SC/ST person. What are the various function and power? It was similar from the function and power which is I already told you in the previously National Commission. So same function and power they have. Both the commission have similar power and function like SC commission and ST commission. Both are having the same power under Article 338 of the Constitution, like to investigate and monitors all matters relating to safeguards for SC/STs. So to provide the safeguard for SC/ST commission, they are having following function and power. First, to evaluate the report or working of the safeguards, कैसे उसको evaluate analyze करना. Secondly, inquiry करना. This National Commission can do the inquiry with respect to safeguard the SC/ST caste person. Nextly, to participate and advise on planning process of social economic development of SC/ST caste. Lastly, to present that report to the president annually or periodically. लास्टली वो एनुअली या पीरियडिकली प्रेसिडेंट को अपना रिकमेंडेशन भेजता है कि कैसे वो SC/ST वालों को डेवलपमेंट कर सके, सोसाइटी में कैसे वो जनरल कास्ट के इक्विवेलेंट ला सके. तो दिस आर द वेरियस फंक्शन विच इज़ डन बाय द नेशनल कमीशन ऑफ स्टेट शेड्यूल्ड कास्ट एंड शेड्यूल्ड ट्राइब्स. सो दिस नेक्स्ट टॉपिक विल बी सिमिलर. Like this are also having the civil rights, like Human Rights Commission are having the similar rights like two commissions previously we have read it. They are having the civil court rights like summon and enforcing the person, discover the documents, demand the evidence on affidavit, request for public record और copy अगर कोई होगी वहाँ पे कोर्ट में तो वो मंगा सकता है, और issue the commission. So this all will be dealt under Article 338 of the Constitution. Last one is complaint mechanism. This is also similar. Like complaint mechanism, the commission receive complaint from individual of SC/ST or a group of person of SC/ST which are provide the safeguard in the Constitution. This commission follow up the authorities and organization against the complainant is launched. You can launch the complaint through the website www.ncsc.nic.in फॉर SC/ST मीन्स ऑनलाइन भी हो सकता है. वही 1 ईयर का टारगेट रहेगा. अगर आपके साथ कुछ गलत हो रहा है SC/ST वालों का तो टिल 1 ईयर यू हैव टू फाइल द कंप्लेनेंट टू दिस mechanism. So complaint mechanism is same in all the commission. Power and function will be same. All are having the civil court right, means you can write this. You can go through one commission, you can understand all the commission clearly. Clear? This is your last commission. 4 commission is given in your book. Go through it. Clear?